I installed this Akia 110-inch fixed projector screen all by myself. I took a chance on this brand right here, and I'm so happy I did. It's a beautiful felt frame, it doesn't protrude out far from the wall, and I can fit my projection image perfectly within the confines of the frame, so I don't have much bad to say about it, except the setup process was a little bit extensive. Thankfully, it came with great instructions, and it comes with pretty much everything you need. But right away as I unpacked the box, I noticed the beauty in this quality, and I was very happy with it, so of course I got started right away assembling the frame. It came with this nice white sheet to lay out on the floor as to not damage anything, and I love that they were thoughtful enough to include it. The screen itself came well protected, wrapped up, and it came with all the hardware and tools you'll need except for a drill to attach the brackets to the wall. I was surprised when it came to steps like adding in these tension rods because it made a lot of sense that it would help to protect the screen over time and allow the springs to pull the screen nice and tight without actually hurting it. The most tedious part was attaching all of the springs, but once I got that finished, it was essentially done. Screen looks great, and I'm really happy I went with the 110 versus 100. I used some of my own screws so I could get directly into the stud, but about 35 minutes from the time I opened the box, I got this hung up on the wall. It's definitely a bit of a project, but totally worth it. Especially if you have an ultra short throw projector like me, because it will show any imperfections in the wall or a screen for that matter. But I was pleasantly surprised to know that I could get my image to fit perfectly in this frame without any warps, ripples, and the image was nice and clear, the color popped, and it limited reflections. When I first started this project, I wasn't sure if a fixed screen was totally necessary, but I'm so glad that I went for it, because this room just looks beautiful, artistic, and professionally done, and I was able to do it completely by myself. Nothing bad to say about the quality of Akia screens. I highly recommend if you're looking for a fixed projector screen.